हरि ओम्। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीं प्रपन्नपारिजाताय तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। Bhagavad Gita, a conversation with God daily. In this series today, chapter 16, shloka number 6. Dvau bhuta sargau lokesmin daiva asura eva cha daivo vistarashah prokta asuram partha me shrunu. This chapter explains the divine and asuric nature of living beings. Dvau bhuta sargau lokesmin. Living beings that are born on this earth are of two types: divine and asuric. Daivo vistarashah prokta. Those who are born with a divine nature, what are the various qualities that they possess? That was explained in detail already. Now, let me explain the asuric nature. Pravrittincha nivrittincha janana vidurasuraha na shaucham napi chacharo na satyam teshu vidyate. Pravrittincha nivrittincha. What are the actions that can be done? What should be avoided? People with asuric nature, they don't know this. In order to attain the purusharthas, whether it be dharma, artha, kama or moksha, in order to attain them, in order to succeed in any of these fields, what should be done? What should not be done? They are totally unaware of this. They don't know this. Na shaucham napi chacharo. They are not clean. They lack good conduct. They are not truthful. Asatyam apratishtham te jagadahuranishwaram अपरस्पर संभूतं किमन्यत् कामहैतुकम्. And they are not truthful, so they feel there is nothing called truth in this earth. There is nothing like dharma, adharma. All these things don't exist. There is no God. And are born on this earth as a result of the combination of men and women. A man and woman, they come together because of their desire for each other, and as a result, a living being is born. That's all. To birth of living beings. You cannot say that because of papa or punya, because of the karmas they committed in the previous births, based on that, in order to experience the results of those karma, living beings are born on this earth, and the type of birth that they get is based on their karmas. All this don't exist. Because of desire towards each other, the male and female of a species, they come together, and as a result, an offspring is born. That is all is regarding birth of living beings. एतां दृष्टिमवष्टभ्य नष्टात्मानो अल्पबुद्धयः प्रभन्त्युग्रकर्माणः क्षयाय जगतो हिताः. And with this attitude, they totally forget about their true nature. They have lost their true nature. That self, the Atman, is totally covered, masked. It's not at all seen. They are of very meager, little intelligence. They are cruel. They perform cruel acts. And they harm others. They actually engage in actions that destroy the world. Destruction of the world happens because of them. Kamamashritya dushpuram dambhamanamadanvitaha मोहाद् गृहीत्वा असद्ग्राहान् प्रवर्तन्ते अशुचिव्रताः. Kamamashritya dushpuram. They always run after desires that cannot be fulfilled. Such desires can never be fulfilled. They can never attain them. But they are always after that. They show off, lead extravagant, luxurious lives. They are proud of themselves, think very high of themselves, and due to lack of discrimination, they actually do evil things. And actions that lead to undesirable results. Such actions will definitely lead you to grief, to sufferings. It will bring difficulties. But they engage in such actions. Chintam aparimeyam cha pralayantamupashritaha kamopabhoga parama etavaditi nischitaha. And they are full of worries, limitless worries, worries of various kinds, worries of unimaginable magnitude. They always keep worrying for some reason or the other. And for how long? Pralayanta, till they die. Or even till the entire universe is destroyed, the whole universe may get destroyed, but their worries will never be destroyed. So, always worrying about something or the other. Kamopabhoga parama. They think the main aim of life is to get various desires fulfilled. I should attain whatever I want in life. Enjoy the various pleasures of life. That's all is there to life. This is the ultimate goal of life. They are firmly convinced about this and they lead such lives. आशापाशशतैर्बद्धाः कामक्रोधपरायणाः ईहन्ते कामभोगार्थम् अन्यायेन अर्थसञ्चयान्. They are bound by their desires, by various attachments. Kamakrodhaparayanaha. So they get angry easily. When your desires are not fulfilled, that leads to anger. And in order to get their desires fulfilled, they earn money even by adharmic means. They don't care in what way they get wealth. One way or the other, I have to become rich. Whatever I want, I should get. All my desires should be fulfilled. I'm not bothered whether I'm taking the right path or whether I'm committing sins. We'll stop with that for today. We'll continue tomorrow. Hari Om.